is our BBC.
Well, how's 2026 been for you so far? Me too. Happy New Year from BBC One with a highlight from last year's Glastonbury. Here's Rod Stewart.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Please stand by. In 1969, NASA had discovered a Timerip that would rip up the world's timeline in the year 2026, making a corrupt universe. Unfortunately, there is no way to stop it. It has spent 57 years slowly attempting to make Timerip. Without time, computers don't work, and the universe will move cities, towns, countries as the time zones have been changed.